Dear Diary, I ditched the make money online niche, and here's how it's been for the past 3 months. It's really been a sad story. And you get to hear me spill all the beans in this video. This should be like an ASMR video. What if I whispered the whole video? Would you guys stay? All right. Let's talk. I'm going to try to film this video all the way through because those are the videos that feel the best for me as opposed to like having it be scripted perfect. So on this channel, for those of you that have been following me and you're here, love you. Even new people, love you too. But those of you who are here still after all these years, you know that there's been change after change after change. So thanks for hanging on tight for dear life. Let me brightness. There we go. Yeah, so basically, since the make money online pivot niche change, which has happened quite a while ago, it's hard to explain when exactly it happened, but it's happened at various times during this past year. It's been still extremely hard. The channel is having a hard time with, let me back up. For those of you who are like, what the hell? What I mean is that this channel heavily used to be a passive income, make money online, money making websites, side hustle, work from home job, easy, blah, 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 blah. But I got so burnt out. I was just like, there's no way I can make another video with this kind of topic. And I was just so ready for to just like scream at the top of my lungs, which I did. I screamed and I was like, I can't do it. And so in a previous video, I talked about how I grew my audience. Like in the beginning, it was heavily like affiliate marketing and documenting like basic things about email, or not email, but online business and things I was learning. And then I incorporated like digital nomad videos. And then as soon as my video or my channel started to pop off for work from home jobs, and then later money making websites, like I just kept getting addicted to the dopamine and the algorithm and the views and the everything, subscribers, email subscribers, and the revenue I was making from those videos. And so that was a big way I grew my audience. And so I talk about in a previous video how there's so much wrong with the make money online niche. And one of the biggest things that I was trying to do, which wasn't that successful in the sense that it was still like attracting somebody who wanted to make money online easy and fast. But what I was trying to teach was something that was kind of quite at least intermediate or advanced for the online world, right? So what I mean by that is I'd create a video called like how to make $150 a day, make money online, step by step. And I would teach something complex like a value ladder and a coaching funnel and having a bridge video and all these things. And people would come to the video and be like, wait a minute, this is way too hard. I don't even know what a sales funnel is, and I would receive, that type of criticism. And I'm just like, well, I would try to mask a quality video, a quality online business video with what I thought was a quality video with a trashy title, basically, like the lazy way to make money and blah, 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 blah. In the hopes that, of course it would attract people and still go viral, but in the hopes that people on that video who would watch it would really be like, oh, these are gems that she's dropping and, real value that she's giving, and really test and implement and take action on the things that I was saying in that video. Does that make sense? Like, if it doesn't, I get it. A lot of things sometimes don't make sense, but what I would say is like I was addicted to basically pigeonholing my channel, because basically I felt like the algorithm would not honor my videos if I didn't put a dollar sign on the front. on a thumbnail. So if I posted something without a dollar sign or without the lazy or the easy or the blah or passive, it would just tank. And I'm like, this super sucks, because, you know, I want to talk about way more than this. I mean, I want to talk about real business things, like systems, like how to grow a team, like how to save as much as possible on taxes, how to make your business an S corp, how to create SOPs, how to create culture within a company, how to like really create a scalable a marketing agency service and scale it. The real tricky parts behind online course creation. But most importantly, like, I wanted to talk about stuff around mindset as well, because this whole mindset thing is skipped completely in the world of our world. Okay. Like, it's the focus is so much on making money and funnels and just copy and paste this and duplicate this and blah. But like, everyone who really knows, who knows like what success takes, knows that 80% it's truly just mind, your mindset and nothing else. The strategy for making money is easy. Like, that's the easy part. The hard part is not going crazy up here. Staying calm, staying sane, staying true to who you are during adversity, not identifying yourself and going in a crazy emotional spiral if things aren't going your way. Okay, so since the switch, things have still been hard, YouTube wise. Okay, specifically speaking of YouTube, I mean, this channel has still seen negative subscriber months. I thought I had got it to a point. There was a month where I made a positive 27 subscribers, and I was just like so happy, because I'm like, finally I'm seeing positive subscribers again on this channel. But then it just went down again. I'm like, damn. And it, you know what the weirdest thing is that even before like I announced anything on this channel or whatever, the channel like started to drastically go down and die, even when I was like still going hard with my normal high converting, like, make money online topics. And that's what I could never really figure out. It was very strange. And I do feel like I was kind of victim of being shadow banned, to be quite truthful, by the YouTube algorithm. It was just no reason why my videos and the traffic should have gone down like that. So anyway, here we are. But I would say that there's been a ton of good things that have happened. I mean, people have been commenting like, wow, I really love the type of content you're creating now. It just feels so much more aligned, so much more evolved. And if you know me, what always has been what's kept me going, is your guys' feedback and the fact that what I'm saying up here on the stage is helping you. That's truly what lights me up in my career as a content creator. And so the other thing that's fun is that my channel, although it's like losing subscribers, is still generating traffic. And that is what I've been, is what's most important. I've been preaching this since, by the way, isn't this outfit super cute? Like, it's a jumpsuit. It makes me look like Selena. I was like, I just want to sing bitty bitty bum bum. What was I saying? Oh, I forgot. Oh yeah, so that's what I've always said from the beginning, is like, revenue is greater than fame. Like, it literally is, because what matters on YouTube is not subscribers. What matters is the views, really. And that's true, because without views, you have nothing. But without subscribers, you still have revenue. And I've literally proven that. It's been fun because, you know, through the trials and tribulations of my personal YouTube channel and the algorithm, like, literally hating my new channel, there's been some great things. Like, our agency that we've started, our YouTube coaching and service-based marketing agency, it's done incredibly well. Like, we've grossed like 57,000 within a 6-week time period, and that's just with like very minimal marketing at all. Like, this is with the lowest amount of traffic I've ever gotten. And this is what's exciting, because I wouldn't like be here, like being all vulnerable and stuff on this video, if I didn't think that there was still hope for my channel. If you want to follow the journey, definitely subscribe, because I'm literally documenting the good, the bad, and the ugly. Like, this is kind of an ugly video, right? It's like, this is the ugly part of YouTube and also entrepreneurship. Like, I want to be raw on this channel now. I want to show like all facets of what's going on, because another thing, for those that are still not where you want to be financially in your business, you gotta know that a huge percentage of what you do in entrepreneurship is just failing. When I mean failing, I just mean trying things that don't work. I mean, that's literally the story of entrepreneurs' lives. Like, there's ups, but there's lots and lots of downs, and that's fine. Like, it is literally the road, right? The road. And those that are successful have the mindset to thrive, not only through adversity, but also through the unknown, okay? Because when you don't know when your business, when your channel, when things are going to turn around, it's called the unknown. When you don't know the outcome of something within the next month, within the next 2 weeks, within the next year, but you have faith. You have faith in yourself that, one, you're going to be okay, and two, you're going to create those results, right? And so that right there is the key to all of this, right? Having that mindset where you have crazy faith, your burning desire, your plan A, no plan B, what's the phrase I saw? Putting it all on the line mindset. That's how I operate. That's how I've always operated. And so, I mean, if you want me to make a whole video about that type of mindset, let me know in the comments. But that is what's so absent right now in this entrepreneurial culture. And I want to highlight that, really. And so, anyway, there was no like indication of mindset when this channel was a Make Money Online channel, because a lot of people who were watching were like, oh, I've tried every single thing that you've taught and I've gotten no results. And I'm like, that's a lie. and then they'll be like, yeah, I tried this the past 2 months. And I'm like, 2 months? You got to be committed for this for minimum 2 years. And be prepared to still not have the results you want. All right, that's what it takes. Like, there is no easy way. There is no lazy way. There's no easy passive income. It all takes work, good work, fulfilling work. But that's what it takes, right? And for you to be able to navigate the unknown like no other, okay? So anyway, that's just the update I wanted to give. Like, ask me different things, tell me a story in the comments, like, because there's other creators out there. Like, one that comes to mind, I thought about doing a whole video about her channel, Catherine Manning. Like, I kind of feel like her and I are in the same boat, because her subscriber amount has been not growing at all ever since she switched into, like, she went from YouTube tips and YouTube help channel to totally just vlogging and doing home construction and renovation projects and vlogging her daily life, to now she's vlogging about her being a new mom, which is incredible. But I feel like exactly like her channel keeps going stagnant. Basically, it's like going up and then down and then up and then losing and then gaining and losing. So it's just like this weird, awkward thing. But anyway, I'll tell you my plan. I'm recording this video now and tons of videos to do a content blitz. So my plan to hopefully get out of this, and we'll see what happens, is to do a content blitz of hopefully 25 organic videos in a month, to post that amount. So it feels like almost every day. And then to see what happens and test out Google Ads, to see if I could attract a new audience with leveraging not only organic, but a Google ad campaign for discovery, because I know that there's campaigns out there where you can organically gain new subscribers with paid traffic. And when I mean organically, is somebody still has to show interest in seeing your thumbnail and your video on the home feed. And that's what I've been interested in testing out for a long time. So that, and also doing a couple YouTube lives on my channel, I think would be really fun. So anyway, if you want to see my original video on when I left the Make Money Online niche, I'll put it right here and in the description. But this is just an update, a raw update, and to let you know how it's going, and to say like, hey, it's not going great, and how I didn't really expect anything, so I'm not going to say not like I expected, but this is where it is. And you know, my mindset is like, I'm in this for the next 100 videos, 200 videos and beyond. So I'm here to stay for a while. So if you got value from this video and you like it, continue over. There's a great video coming up next all about the reality and dark truth behind making $5K a month with digital products and it not being easy passive income. So if you're interested in that topic, check it out right here, and I'll see you on that video. I went through about 15, no wait, I'm lying. I don't have time for that. I went through about 4 videos all about making